Scorpios, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to do your reading from 21st to 30th of June for Sun, Moon, Rising and Venus signs. So this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate with all of you. And if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be updated about my latest videos. So I'll be looking at your past energies, your present and your future energies. Then I will end my reading with some couple of cards and you will see that what the universe has to tell to you, what message is there for you. So let's get started for my Scorpions. So the overall energy is Two of Pentacles. So your energy now, your overall energy is actually some kind of juggling you are doing, juggling in your life actually. You have a lot of stuff going on in your mind and there is like sometimes your work, sometimes your family. There are so many issues which you are revolving around, and that is why you are basically sometimes here, you are sometimes there. Your mind is just working here and there and here and there. That's what I'm getting. So your past cards are, past energy cards are Ten of Swords, Eight of Wands and Death. I see something ending over here. Some kind of relationship might be, some kind of work, your job, some kind of thing ended. Might be a job as well because you received that information that you might receive that I see that a mail came towards you or some kind of postcard, something came towards you and it told you that it is ending, your job is over, sorry. That is something, or you might have ended. So you put the resume and you left your job just because you wanted to do something else. So it might be that as well because you wanted transformation. So you ended this thing and you wanted to do something new, which I see. So in your present, the cards are King of Pentacles, the Lovers and Two of Cups. So I really feel that there is some kind of stability when this thing happened and you are feeling happy. I don't know why. Either you were involved in third party relationship, was there some kind of that thing, but I don't feel that. But you found love in your present, you found happiness, you found whatever you wanted and you actually did what was right for you. So if that thing ended, it ended for good. Because with the Death card, this is you, Scorpio. The Scorpions are always ready for the transformation. They're always ready to start new process. So I really feel that you were the one who ended that process. And you are ready to move on. And whichever thing is that you are feeling a lot in love, a lot in your emotions are very much with you. You are happy, you are stable, a good energy is there, I see. In your future energies, the cards are Page of Pentacles, King of Swords and Ten of Pentacles. So I see that there is some kind of decision you have taken with regard to your family and you want to start something new as well. So You might be, you might be studying again. So that is what I feel, that a long decision, you were waiting to take this decision from a long time. That is why you were juggling. Your overall energy was like, uh, what can I do? I cannot be with my family all the time. I cannot be at work all the time. What I have to do? So I really feel that you took the decision and you separated from that work, and you came towards your family, and you are now with your family, sitting together, having lunch, dinner, and a lot of you actually feel that why I am doing all this, why I am making so much of money if I'm not even spending any time with my family. So you started to think, and that's why you took that decision. And that is why in your future I see that you are starting something new. Might be learning some new arts or skills or some new work, so that you will be with your family as well. Okay, so we'll clarify. Let's see what is this Two of Pentacles about. So the cards are Five of Rods, the Magician, and Nine of Swords. Okay, so you were juggling. Okay, fine. You were so disturbed that there were so much conflicts in office, at home. You were not able to sleep properly because of late night works, and that is why you took the decision. And with the Magician, you thought that I am doing this work, I am so talented, I have a lot of things, I can do a lot of things in my life, and I am doing this job again and again, doing the routine job, and what is this for then? If I'm not able to give time to my family, if I'm not able to give time to my children, family, my love, other stuff, so why is this even needed? So that is why I feel like you took this step. Okay? Because you know that you have everything. You are ready to start something new. Because with the Magician, who is a magician? A magician has everything on his table, and he is ready to show some skills, some talent now. Let's clarify the Eight of Rods. Okay, so I really feel that the Eight of Rods, the communication which you received, the cards are King of Pentacles, Strength, and Knight of Swords. Okay, so this might be the situation for some of you, that you were you participated in some kind of thing, or you filled a form in some university. You wanted to study something new. You wanted to start again in life, a new something, basically something which you love from within, and that is why you took this step. So you received that call from that company or that university, and then you finally thought, okay, so this is something which I wanted from such a long time, and now I actually received it. So let's now quit my job, let's now quit this particular thing, and I'll move on, and I'll do something new things for myself at least, because and then you also wanted to be happy. So that is why you took this decision, because it gave you very stable results. Okay, so we will clarify the King of Pentacles in your present energy, because this reading is a lot, it's quite understood that you took some decisions so that you will be happy with your family, or your love, your basically whatever you love more in your life. So that is why you took that decision. You let go of those things which do not bring a lot of happiness, a lot of stability towards you. Let's clarify the King of Pentacles. of Pentacles and Ten of Pentacles. Yes. Stability is the thing which you need. So this is a risk which you took, because leaving a job, leaving something which was with you from a long time, leaving that thing all of a sudden and entering something new is a risk. And that is why, but you were ready to take that risk to take that leap of faith, and you were ready to start new things. Knight of Pentacles with the Ten of Pentacles, it's like I'm ready to learn new things, to do what makes me happy at the end. So that is why you took this decision. I have not clarified these two cards. I will clarify the Page of Pentacles though. In the future. Lovers. Okay. I feel that this is regarding some kind of online business which you are thinking to start. That is why you have started this thing. And this is a very new beginning though, because you were thinking about it and you loved it from a long time. So you thought that, and you are working really hard. But what is needed is that you need little patience as well, and you are being patient in your future. So with the Page of Swords, I really feel that this is some kind of work where you will stay at home only, and you will be doing your work from home and online business, and that is why you have started this new project. You took that risk because you don't know at the end whether it will give you fruitful results or not. Okay, we'll see. King of Swords, let's clarify. The cards are Two of Rods, Two of Cups and Eight of Pentacles. I feel that whichever work you are doing, your family is also helping you in that work, and you all together are working a lot day and night for this work, because you need success at the end, and that is why you along with your family are working, and you are ready to give results. That is what I see. Or it might be some things which is not there present at your home place. You are working with something internationally, might be, or some other place you are working. So that is why this is online work, I feel more. Okay, so I think that's all for your reading. A very beautiful read, Scorpio, because whatever you took a decision in your past, because at the end you wanted to be happy, and you just wanted to be with your family, because being a Scorpion, it's like you are the most lovable ones who love your family. You can do anything for your family. So that is why you are like, it's better to quit that job and be with my family. I will do my work, because you are oriented so much into your work as well that you cannot leave your work, but it's better to take that decision. A very beautiful read, Scorpios. Let's see what the universe has to tell. Yeah, the cards are Six of Pentacles, Eight of Pentacles and Queen of Rods. The universe is telling you the thing which you have started, a lot of effort is needed, because this is something new which you have started. But the work will be, because your passion is involved in this, so your work will be fruitful. And if there is, because with the Six of Pentacles, it's like your family is also supporting you in this thing. So just work hard as much as you can, and the fruits will be delivered to you. So that's all from the universe. The message is very beautiful. That's all from my side, Scorpios. I hope you like my reading. Then we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.